Hi, I'm Stephanie with WTI, and I'm here with the MQ Emotion Patches for all of my traveling friends out there who want to get out there, who want to go different places, but they kind of have a hard time with getting motion sick, car sick. I'm one of them. This has been a game changer. The biggest thing for me is that you can put it on really easily and discreetly. I like to put it right behind my earlobes, but you also have the option of putting it on your abdomen below your belly button, and nobody really notices it. But if you apply it per directions, put it on before you travel, it's made such a huge difference. I've been able to go places that I avoided in the past because I was afraid of getting car sick. Also, they don't make me sleepy like some of the other medicines for car sickness. I apply these, I'm alert, I'm awake, I'm able to enjoy my travels. So overall, these have been a really great purchase. I throw them in my bag every time I go out. I think that it would help my fellow motion sick buddies out there, but that's just my point of view.